Hey guys, this is a Bedee Power Strip Tower with fast wireless charger. There are 6 AC outlet and 4 USB ports, surge protector, and this is a vertical electric charging station. Usually you see the horizontal one, but this is the vertical one. 3000 watt, 13 ampere, and 6.5 feet heavy duty retractable cord for office and home shop. So I'm just unboxing this. So here is the total the manual that comes with it, and you can see all those specification on the manual. The good thing is that the code is retractable, but here they already retracted it, so the code is out. These are the AC outlet. This is all the plastic material. So here is a retraction, so once you rotate, the things will retract the cable. This is for the overload switch that is there, and the cushion, and the hole for the air supply. So these are all the outlets. These are the USB ports, individual switch. So this switch is to on all the USB ports and the first level, and the second switch is for the second level outlets. So you can control each level. On the top is the Wi-Fi. So these USB ports are controlled by the first level switch. So let me just open the cable and connect it to the electric switch so that I can demo this charger or this extension cable box. So you can see it's a heavy duty cable and it's a 3-point switch. So once you on this button, all the USB, you see the individual light in the USB. So both level of the USB is started and the first level of the outlet. When you turn on the second one, then the second switch outlet is there. So I will just trying this overload one. This is working, and you can see the light below the wireless charger on the top. So that is for indication for charging. So as soon as I put it, the wireless charging started for my iPhone. And you can see the different light. So if I change the position or something, that shows that if your phone is fine or not. So if you are putting it, the green light is on, means it's a fast charging, and if it is like a blue light, that's like normal charging, like this. So this is all in the manual, so pretty easy. And see, if the red, it means it's not charging, so, or abnormal charging. So this is pretty cool that lights will indicate if you have put your phone properly on the top or not. And as I said, these are like the outlets. So let me just show you 1 or 2 outlets and the USB thing. And this is actually a fireproof and also a short circuit protection. So when I'm putting in the outlet, you can see that the light is not on, and then when I on the switch for the second level, the light is on in my device. So you can control individually levels in this extension board. So now I'm just trying the USB. So I'm putting the USB in the USB port here, and all the USB is controlled by the lower level switch. So this is not like an individual level switch. So you can see the light is on, so USB is working fine. So when I switch off the low level one, it's on, so on. So you can control all the USB from the first level. So it's pretty good, the fast charging on the wireless, the outlet, and the USB charging all in one, the protection, the overload protection and stuff, and then the cable, it can also be retractable. So overall, it's a good design and good extension board. So retracting thing, yeah. So here, as I mentioned, the features of this board and the different buttons.